Hey, guess what? I just learned the coolest thing about animals on a farm.
Oh, really? What's the fun fact of the day, Mr. Animal Expert?
Okay, did you know that goats have accents?
Wait, what? Goats? Like they actually sound different depending on where they live?
Exactly. Just like how people from different places have different accents, goats in different herds start to sound alike. Isn't that wild?
That's hilarious. So, you're saying there are French goats and Texan goats?
Pretty much. And get this, cows actually have best friends. If you separate them from their BFF, they get stressed.
Oh, that's adorable. Imagine a cow crying because it misses its buddy. Farms sound like secret animal societies.
Right? There's so much more going on than just mooing and baaing. You could write a whole drama series about farm animals.
Farm Friends, the untold story. All right, I'm definitely visiting a farm soon to see all this in action.
I'll tag along. Let's go goat accent hunting.
Sounds like a deal. Let's go.